Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess with Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over getting started with Printify. If you are looking for a print-on-demand provider, Printify is great for any website platform, and with their newest feature, Pop-up Shop allows them to sell products without a website. So we will begin at the Printify landing page, where we have our create and sell custom products, and we will get started by clicking get started for free. Here it will load up and send to our sign up screen, where we will put in our email and our password to get started with Printify. Once we have entered in our email and password, we'll click sign up. From here, you will go through the welcome setup. So the first question you'll see is welcome, what brings you to Printify. You click the one that you would like. I'm new to selling online and want to start. I'm already selling online and want to expand. I'm ordering products for myself. Then we'll click next, and you'll choose which one best describes you. If nothing applies to you, you could click here and click next. From here, they want to know what social media platforms you'll be using for your business. If you utilize TikTok, if you utilize Instagram, go ahead and check each one that you plan to utilize this store on. If nothing applies, then click nothing from above applies to me, and then click next. From here, you'll have how many social media followers you have, and it tells you that it will allow you to recommend optimal products and sales channels based on your number of followers. Then you'll click next. Do you have experience selling print-on-demand products? Yes or no. And then what was your revenue for selling POD products? If you're just getting started, then do the less than. How did you hear about us? You can have that, or click nothing from above applies to me and complete. Once you get through those questions, you will be brought to the Printify Dashboard. On the upper bar, you'll see any discounts or news or notifications that they would send to all Printify users. At the time of this recording, there's a 20% discount on all products with the Printify Premium. On the left hand side, we have our menu, where you can switch through the different stores you have, your dashboard, notifications, your product catalog, your products, orders, your wallet, insights, store settings, and branding. Below, you'll see the Printify Premium, the need help, your resources, and your account information. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see some getting started pieces, creating your first product, connecting to a sales channel, and some information and tutorials on the Printify platform. So we will begin by first going over to our store settings and updating our store name. Then you'll click save. This will be on all of your ship from. Then you have your ship from address, where you can brand the packaging to your company address and phone number. If you want products to go back to Printify, or you don't want to use your address, you will keep it as Printify default. Or if you wanted to do a custom address, you click here and enter in the detail. Once you make any changes, we'll always click save, and we'll go over to order settings. From here, the first section is order routing. This happens if you have a lower price, or if the production speed is quicker than a provider that you chose, or anything that would create a delay from getting your product from Printify to your customers. So this makes it automatically where it routes to the provider that would send this with no issues, versus staying with the provider that may have some delays in your shipping. So we will click enable order routing, and then they have a max additional cost per item that you can set here. They automatically have $2, but you can go up to 100. Allow routing for exact product matches only, or similar product matches if exact is unavailable. It also goes through how it works, and the examples of a order route. Next is your order approval. This is when your orders will be approved to go to production. So we can have our manual. You'll have to click submit order each time an order is created. Or if you want to have it automatically submitted after an hour, after a day, or after a set time every day. The default here is 24 hours, but you can move it to an hour, and you can also do your automatically at a certain time. So then that would send all of the products for that day to your provider at a certain time. So it means all orders will go through at 9 a.m. or all orders will go through at 1 a.m., 1 p.m. And then you will get the cost for those all at one time instead of it being single orders. So we'll do 5 o'clock p.m. And that would have where at 5 o'clock, all of the orders will go through for that day. Here we have our tracking notifications, so you can receive it as soon as it's available or receive it at a certain time, which you'll get that full list of tracking details in a single email one time per day, or you'll get it as soon as it's available. Next is delayed orders. For delayed orders that cannot be delivered or have a delayed delivery status set on hold, you can have it automatically set to send to production. So manually send to production is where all incoming orders where shipping restrictions apply will remain on hold. You can manually send orders affected by shipping delays to production, and you cannot send orders that are canceled due to shipping restrictions to production. If you want to have it automatically sent, orders affected by shipping delays will be sent to production as per your order approval settings. Orders that cannot be delivered due to shipping restrictions will remain on hold. So if you have a delivery that cannot be delivered or has delayed delivery, they will be on hold. But once that production is able to be completed, then you can have it automatically send. Then the last setting is the daily order updates here. You'll receive an email with any updates of your products, your orders, and your production statuses here. And we'll click save. And then we'll go to Printify Connect. As a Printify Premium member, which I will show you here, you get 20% off discount on all products. There is a $29 fee for the monthly plan, and as a yearly plan, it comes down to $24.99, but it is billed annually. With this Shopify Premium, you do get 10 stores per account, where you can have different products going to those different 10 stores, unlimited products going to those different 10 stores, but at max, you can manage 10 stores per account. Then you have a 20% discount on all products. As you see here, the regular price for this tote bag is $8.21, but as a premium member, you get it for $6.32, which saves you $1.89 on this product. You also get order management with Printify Connect, which handles the reprints and refund requests for you. That is the Printify Premium plan. We will head to branding. From branding, you can have inserts that are in that has kind of thank you cards, which you could design right in the Printify dashboard. You have your card dimensions and then how much it is per insert. If you're that Printify Premium member, then you only get 10 cents per insert, and the regular price is 15 cents per insert. So you're able to customize the card with your brand details and any information that you want here. If you want to add your social media, you can. If you want to have a thank you and a QR code for them to leave a testimonial or a review, you can have that here. Next is gift messages. This is what is sent when a customer wants to send a product as a gift. If you have a gift message, then it is similar to the order add-ins, which it's 15 cents per gift message and 10 cents per gift message, with Printify Premium. Then it has 64 dimensions and it supports up to 200 characters. If you wanted to add the gift messages, then you'll just toggle this on and then edit the template. So that covers our store settings. From here, you could go to branding and see the different branding pieces that you can add, such as your packaging inserts, your neck labels, and your gift messages. Now back in our dashboard, we can see that our shop name has updated here and updated here. Then we'll go and look at the catalog. This is where all of your Printify products live. If there was anything that you wanted to create, they will be in this catalog menu piece. You have your catalog home, which has your best sellers, your early access, embroidery, holiday picks, new arrivals, premium apparel, eco-friendly AOP clothing, all over print clothing, assembled in the USA, neck labels, Printify choice, products that are ready for TikTok, and then you have your print providers and your brands and any favorites that you've saved. On the right hand side, this lists all of our main categories up top with the subcategories below. For the early access, it will bring up your editor where you can view the early access products that they have that you can utilize to create your product. Another one during this time are holiday picks, which are your ornaments, candles. You can do gift wrap paper, you can have journals, calendars, ornaments, desk mats. So these are all things that you could give and set up for your store for the holiday time. You do have desktop calendars, puzzles. So there's a variety of products just in the holiday set, like our Christmas stockings here, our acrylic ornaments, even Christmas tree skirts that you can utilize in this holiday time. Coming back into the catalog, if you were to come and click one of the sub menus, it will bring up everything and you can see the information in regards to the product, some of the mock-ups that they have, so you could give you a view into the actual product. Then it will show a list of providers, how much it costs for them to do, what the shipping cost is. If you click, then it'll always tell you the economy and the standard, about how many days of production, the print area, and the size. It also gives you some information about the journal, about the key features, the care, size guide, and other products that are relevant to this product. Once you're ready to get started creating a design, you'll just click start designing and go through that process. So in our notifications, you'll have a pop out where it will show all of the notifications for your store here. Catalog is our main categories and our subcategories. My products are the products that you create in your store. Any ones that require action will be under this tab, and the ones that are personalized will be here. You can also create an order manual, bulk, or sample order and track them here. Next is orders. This is where all of your orders will be listed. Here are the settings that you have set up for your account. If there's routing, approval, tracking notifications, delayed orders, and you'll have your Printify orders that are here and their status on hold, in production, ready to ship, and on the way. If you have your Printify connected to a Shopify or Wix or Squarespace store, sometimes you have orders that are not for print on demand, and those will be listed on other orders. Next is your wallet, where you can set up payments with using Printify Balance. You can also add your payment card, set up your currency, subscribe to Printify Premium, and add any coupon codes for your store. Next is transactions. When payments are made, they will list here. And then withdrawals. The money that is here from your orders. You're able to withdraw and it will be sent to the account in your payment details. Then in wallet and invoices, you can add and send invoices per order, and you can switch it to monthly invoices for your products. Next is taxes. Based on where you are, they have Canada, EU, Norway, and UK and USA. You're able to submit your certificates to cover your taxes. Last under wallet is Reward Center. Based on your available offers and your sales, you're able to receive cash back on some of the products in the store. So here is 10% cash back specific product. You have the comfort colors, and then you have a TikTok only product. It'll list what's eligible, what's not eligible, and you'll just simply click activate offer, and you'll read through your cashback terms and click accept. This will then change this section by your cashback. The more you sell, the more you earn. So you get 10% cashback on this particular product, and it's active, and then you'll see like the last updated and your offer details down here. So those are your rewards cashbacks. Then you have your campaigns for the rewards that you've received, and then referrals. If you were to refer somebody to Printify, then you are able to use your link. They'll click, and once they complete 3 orders with Printify, then they will get a $20 reward. So that's a great way to add an additional income source to your print-on-demand store. Next is insights. After you make about 20 monthly orders or 20 sales in total, you will start to see your seller insights with your products. It will look at your conversions, it will look at your sales, your return on investment. All of that will be here. Under insights are our store settings, where we went and added in those vital settings, and then branding. Below, you do have that Printify Premium, where you're able to review and sign up for that. Next, you have need help. There's the experts program, the help center, and any of the requests that you have. Next is resources, where you have your sellers club, webinars, and blog information. Last is your account. So you have your account settings, where you go through with your business name, your contact details, and your address. Then your files for any of your designs that you uploaded. Next is connections for your Printify API. And then you have settings. Now these are your account settings. So you'll be able to choose your standards for across Printify. Set your time zone. Receive email notifications. What is the frequency and format that you would like to receive invoices? Your login details, and a place to delete your data. Back in your dashboard, you can go to your business name here and click Manage My Stores. This will bring you to the list of stores that you have under this Printify account. Here you'll be able to check your settings, and you will be able to copy products from this store, disconnect it, delete it, or visit the store website. Next, we're going to click Connect. This will open up the sales channels available for Printify to integrate with. You'll see up top that it'll have the Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Printify Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop. When you click any of these here, it'll get started with the next steps for how to connect your store. So that is the Printify dashboard and how to get started.